Welcome to Sachin's channel. Are you suffering from hair boredom? Are you sick of short hair? Are you having problems blending your real hair to the extension? Well then, this tutorial is perfect for you. Part 1. How to apply hair extension. Part 2. How to curl them, and for those of you who already have long hair, you can still follow part 2. But since Sachin refuses to pay me, I am just going to end my narration.
Part 1. Hair extension. Start by sectioning off your hair at the side of your temple and securing it at the top of your head. Because of my short hair, it can peek through at the end and make it look more obvious. And I can't create a bun because it will look puffy, so instead I'm using the ponytail method by tying it as tight as possible at the roots of my hair to get rid of my blonde streaks. If you have shorter hair than me, then using one hairband is enough. Today I'm using real hair extension from this website because they're a lot cheaper, and I bought 2 sets of them, but you don't need 2 sets, so try getting one first to save your money. Next, start with a clip that has 4 combs on it and make sure to open all the combs. Then attach the center part of the extension where your first hairband is. Snap the far right clip right behind your ear. Then to the far left, and it should wind up just behind your other ear. For the second layer, place the second widest extension in the same manner. But if you feel like there's a gap, try to reposition it to make sure that there's no gaps. You want the extension to be secure. For the third layer, place the clip on each sides of your temple at the center of your ear. Then work your way to the back of your head. Once you're done, let go of the top section of your hair to see if the hair extension perfectly placed. Now that we got the length that we want, we just need to blend the top layer into the hair extension. We're going to clip the remaining smaller extension, put on the side of your forehead until you're satisfied with the hairstyle. Part 2. Messy Body Wave Tutorial. Start off by applying heat protection spray all over your hair. And when I say all over, I mean drenched it, because you don't want your real hair and the hair extension to be damaged. Then comb through your hair to prevent tangled hair. Next, we're going to section our hair to the side of your temple, just like before. Time to curl the hair. Today, I'm using a flat iron to achieve this look, and I turn on 180 degrees to protect my hair from too much heat. Because I'm lazy, so I'm sectioning my hair into 5 parts. Start with the front section of your hair, clamp down your straightener, and slowly twist your flat iron 360 degrees away from your face. Since it's a dead hair, it would take a longer time to curl, so I usually hold it for 3 seconds for each pull before I slowly put it down towards the end. And I'm using my finger to twist the curl for a long-lasting curls. Repeat on the other side. And while you curl your hair, it's a perfect time to dwell on your thoughts, cause it's gonna take a bit of time. Now for the second section of each side, we're going to curl it inwards towards our face. This technique will make it look less perfect and more of a beachy look. For the back section, we're going to curl it away from our face. And after you're done, just use your finger to comb through it to blend it. Now for the top part. First, section your hair at the front part of your hair right before the ear. And I don't really know what it's called, so I'm calling it the antenna. And we're going to curl it away from our face just like before, but this time we don't need to hold it for 3 seconds because our real hair is prone to heat, so slowly twist the straightener downwards to the end of your hair. Now I'm going to show you guys another technique, and I call it the instant noodle curls. So grab the first section of the hair, mixing the real hair to the extension, and clamp your flat iron down onto your hair and gently pull down for about 1.5 inches to create a C shape. Then clamp it on the next bit of the hair and turn it up half a turn. Repeat this process down to the length of your hair. The bigger the C shape, the looser the body wave curl will be. And if your real hair sticks out like this, then just curl it inwards in a C shape. And repeat the same method. After I'm done with the whole head, I'm just going to fix the side of the bottom layer near my neck. By curling with the C-shape method, so when I bring my hair all to the front, it will create a cute wave at the side of my collarbone. So once it's cooled down, I'm using my finger to scruff my hair up to make it look less polished. And last but not least, apply hairspray 10 cm away from your hair to lock everything in place. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want more of this hair tutorial, please let me know. Or if you want me to do a makeup tutorial, also I can do that. Or if you want me to do a get ready with me again, please comment down below which topic you prefer me to talk about so we can spend 30 minutes with each other. Yes, and at the same time, please follow me on social media so that way I can talk to you guys more personal level. So yes, so I'm trying my best to be as consistent as possible on YouTube, so we'll see how it goes. I will stop ranting. Anyway, love you. Bye.